Probably the chord switch that is the most used is from a G chord to a C chord. Now, I don't have empirical data, but it seems like that to me. I'm going to show you 3 versions of the G chord that are commonly used. You're going to pick the one that you want to use or you're most comfortable with at this point. Eventually, I'd love to see you be able to use all 3 G chords, but you got to start somewhere. Let's start with my favorite, the 3-finger pinky G. Looks like this. I've got my 3rd finger down on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. I've got the 2nd finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and the pinky, that's why it's called the pinky G, comes on the 3rd fret, 1st string. The reason I like this form of G is a very short movement to the C chord. Notice I've just moved my 3rd finger and 2nd finger over a string, and then bring the 1st finger down on the 1st fret, 2nd string, and then the pinky comes up off the 1st string. Eventually, you want to move them all together. Now, for a lot of beginners, this G is difficult because of the pinky, and the pinky's not strong enough yet. You're going to do exercises and make that pinky stronger. So let's start with another G, the 3-finger G with the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers. Now, unfortunately, this G going to a C is a lot of motion. Watch. But it's very doable, and the key here is practice. It's worth it if you're comfortable with this G. You can always add the pinky G later. But before we stop, we're going to go on to the 4-finger G, my second most favorite G. And I like this because it's a very full sound. It looks like this. Now, even though it's 4 fingers, it's easier, I think anyway, than the 3-finger pinky G because that 3rd finger kind of supports the pinky and gives you an anchor. But there is quite a bit of motion going to the C chord. Again, I find it a little easier, maybe because the pinky's a bit of an anchor at that point. Okay, with that, we're going to go on to the practice portion of this lesson. I want you to pick the G that you're most comfortable with. You can always add the others later. Matter of fact, I hope you do. But I want you to get some success and be able to switch chords so you can use it in context. We're going to do 4 rounds. The first one gives you the most time to change chords, and then we'll progressively move it up. Let's do it. One, two, ready, start. Switch. 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 And switch. One, two, ready, play. Switch. 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 1, 2, ready, start. Switch. 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 One, two, ready, play. Switch. 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 Hey there, hope you made some progress switching from the G to the C chord. It's a great thing to work on and then integrate into your playing. If you'd like to stay in touch, subscribe to my YouTube channel, or even better, become a Real Guitar Insider. It's easy and there's no charge. I'll put a link in the description. See you again soon. Bye.